Thought Trade-In Tuesday. Grindin. Let's make a new definition. We all know the traditional grinding definition. I'm grinding, I'm hustling, I'm working. What are you grinding though? Tim Grover, who is world-renowned athlete trainer, he trained Michael Jordan and Kobe Bryant. Tim Grover suggests that we look at grinding as they do an ice sculpture. They chip away all the unnecessary stuff to make a beautiful sculpture. So let's grind away all the unnecessary habits, all the unnecessary things and people that are not serving our mission. Let me know in the comments or in a voice message if you're listening on the podcast, what is a thought that you think I should trade in? What's a new definition for a word? Comments, suggestions, I want to hear from you. You're worth it. Remember, grinding. Grind away all the unnecessary thoughts, habits, people, places, anything that's not serving your mission. You're worth it. My name is Liberty V Justice. There's no period in my V because my victories never end, and I'm here to help you get your victories, legends.